Good evening, driver. Good evening, occupants. Corporal Cox and team from the Newport West Police Station. The Road Traffic Act, Section 91, grants us police officers the right to only stop motor vehicles traversing the streets of Jamaica. Section 20 of the mentioned act, however, grants us police officers the right to only request driver's license. Moreover, under the constitution that governs Jamaica, it's your right, sir, whichever 14 parish you're traversing. Once being asked by an officer to stop or to pull over, it is your right to ask what is the purpose of the stop. Bear in mind your constitutional rights. Freedom of movement, freedom of speech is your right, and that's a right that you ought to exercise wherever you go. That right takes you as far as the 12 miles nautically out by sea. Now, the purpose of this particular stop is because of an infraction I observed. That infraction is your occupant to your left on the front seat not wearing a seatbelt. It's a breach of Section 72, subsection 3 of the Codes and Offences that acts as a supplement for the Road Traffic Act. Hence why I asked for you to stop, driver. Hence why it's not an arbitrary stop, because I would have pointed out the offence as to why I stopped you. Driver's license